Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. 103 cubic inch engine, air-cooled, Sceamn Eagle intake. It's got Reinhardt racing pipes on it, which sounds so good. It's in fantastic condition. That's just a little bit of water there, sorry about that. And it has navigation, of all things to have on a motorcycle. So I'll take you on a quick walk before I start it up. It's got nice grips on it. The crash bar is there, a little bit of chrome on the fender there, nice wheels in outstanding condition. The front fender is in great shape. Go around this side, I can show you that these wires here rubbed a little bit down there and made a little bit of a mark, nothing major, just want to point it out. The engine's all chromed and shiny and not been left out, it's not corroded. It's got nice chrome shifter and linkage, and floorboards and rear foot pegs are all chromed up, and fabulous looking bike. Really love it. So we'll fire this one up. 1, 2, 3. 8,120 miles, as you can see there. ABS brakes. That'll take a minute to come up. So it runs beautifully. It's got, as I showed you, the toolkit in the back. It's got quick release for a backrest on there. It's got a short cut down windshield, nice looking chrome grips on it, ABS brakes, the navigation that I've shown you. Fabulous bike. Love the options. Give you another quick tour there so you can see it all. Beauty. The air vent was a great idea, and it also has security systems. So there's the security right there. This vent, which opens and closes so that you can have air or not air on a cool or hot day, that's a great idea. Speakers in it, it just sounds great, it looks great, it is great. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2014 Harley-Davidson 103 or 1690cc engine. It's just a fabulous looking bike. Love the gray color. Street Glide Special, here and available at MunroMotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.